Welcome to my video, Master Affiliate Profits Review. Today, I'm going to share with you how you can earn money faster and easier with Master Affiliate Profits. And it doesn't matter if you join as a free member or if you join as a paid member with Master Affiliate Profits. You see, in this world, there are a lot of people competing to have you join their Master Affiliate Profits team. And what they're doing is they're offering you all kinds of bonuses. But most of the bonuses that they offer you are what I call time suck bonuses. They're in the form of courses, or in the form of PDFs, or useless bonuses that won't accelerate or shorten the timeline from when you join to when you make money. I'm here to change the game. You see, I've been helping people own and operate home-based businesses for more than 3 decades. And what's my claim to fame? It's essentially Yours Industries, otherwise known as EYI. In EYI, I was able to recruit 550,000 people around the globe, and I was able to pay those 550,000 people more than $240 million in commissions. And I was able to accomplish that by empowering people like you, by giving you the tools that you need to make money fast. And so the first thing we're going to talk about is step 1. When you join Master Affiliate Profits, you're required to add your autoresponder. And don't worry if you don't know what an autoresponder is, because I'm going to cover that. And then you're required to add the automated email sequences into the Master Affiliate Profits platform so that you can correspond with the members that join your Master Affiliate Profits team. Well, all of that takes time. And if you're brand new to affiliate marketing, everything that I just said to you may be Dutch. You might not know what I'm talking about. But here's the good part. When you join my team, whether it's free or paid, I'm going to give you the email sequences done for you. And I'm also going to give you not just the email sequences, but I'm also going to provide you with the one-on-one training that you need to succeed with setting up your email sequences. And this service that I provide is done through Aweber. It's professionally delivered to you. And what it does, instead of you watching some of the courses that are found within Master Affiliate Profits and taking anywhere from 20 hours of your time to read it, understand it, and put it into place, I'm just handing it to you. You'll just literally hook it up and you'll be in business with Master Affiliate Profits instantly. Now, the second thing that you may or may not know about Master Affiliate Profits is it is a platform that allows you to remarket other goods and services to the members you bring in to your Master Affiliate Profits team. And some of you may have products, and if you do, that's fantastic. I'm going to show you how to get the most out of the automation of the Master Affiliate Profits platform. But some of you may not have a secondary product. I'm currently in the process of vetting 5 individual affiliate marketing companies that I am going to do the full done-for-you turnkey setup for. And it's optional. You can choose them or you can pick your own, or if you have an existing product, you can stick with that. But what this will do for you is, as you build your Master Affiliate Profits team, you're going to have a secondary product that you're going to be able to offer to those members that join your MAP list. And when they do join and when they do participate, and it won't be everyone, you're going to make secondary income. And so all of this shortens the timeline dramatically from when you join to when you're able to make money. And the last element that I'll talk about is I'm going to show you how to set up viral traffic coming into the front end of Master Affiliate Profits, and all of my extra services and all of my live sessions that I'll be doing on a regular basis, once a week or more, are absolutely free if you join my Master Affiliate Profits team. My name's Dori O'Neill. Thanks for watching, and reach out to me if you have any questions. I'm an open book and I'm here to help. Goodbye.